Hey, morning, folks, and happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing all right. Um, just a quick one. Not much on the data slate today. We do have, Canadian inflation print and US housing starts later on, but the highlight of the data scheduled today, well, it won't be today. It is today in the US and today a lot later during European session and early morning in Asia is the FOMC minutes will be, is due to be released. So we are seeing the SPOOs, getting to test that level I mentioned yesterday about 43.10s, 48s. At the same time, we are seeing Dixie on the pounds. Why is this happening? You ask. I feel this dollar move is largely centered around the fact that we have had pretty weak data of the US and China, suggesting perhaps further, fueling the fire of the possibility of a global downturn. And, with that in mind, it goes to show that people would be looking at the dollar as a haven asset, which is why we are seeing inflows on this asset right here, for the Spurs to continue to push further to test the 4400 handle, I feel, we need to see the Dixie just take a pullback, not to say weakening or not to say sell off, but it does need to take a pullback, not go further than this, further than 107s, I would think, if we want to see the Spurs push up above here, hold, and then continue its rally. If the Dixie continues on, I do think we might see a pullback around this area here. We are already seeing, just a smidge of uncertainty, trying to figure out whether it's going to turn around, or if we close here, if we close below this resistance level over here today, I think tomorrow we might see a pullback, and there is always that possibility where traders are just waiting for the minutes to come out before piling on further either way, basically. So, keep your powder dry, try not to get into anything with gusto because there is a possibility that things might be quiet. So because of the weaker data out of China and the US, we are seeing crude just get absolutely destroyed yesterday. Trading a low of 86.76. We have pared back some of those losses, but as you can see here, we are very firmly trading below 90 bucks. And this level over here, I would think, yeah, the 90 bucks handle there and thereabouts. Let's see, just put an area over here. So there you go. So around the 90 to 89, 65, 60s there and thereabouts. This would be a prime area for bulls or bears to take charge either which way. That is it from me, really, until we get the minutes later on. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video if you found it useful. Any questions at all, just hit me up in the comments or in the Discord room where we are running a 1-month free trial. All right, cheers. Have a good session ahead. And this is Reed bringing you the today's daily briefing. Cheers.